Presidential, be my residential. Baby, don't mind them, this is confidential. And for your love, they go say elemental. But for this love, baby, swears not crystal. Baby, don't mind them, baby, don't fear them. And for your love, they go say any grace. But call me on myself when if you need my face. Cause I could give you love, I swear, don't be hate. All my sufferings, all my struggles, I go trade them away. Send them my blessings, all my favor, now they take with the rain. If they see that we should bad, I don't want to my play. For all the Babylon people. All my ladies, all my guys here, rise and shine. Forget about the teens, so they make them not cry. If it's the believe in me, it could take you away. Even the Babylon people don't go ask you why.
I man, pon the mic, past you what a fire burn. Poo poo poo, you can come see my room. Come me, I put you down. What you gonna do when a bad man comes for you? What you gonna do when I come for you? What you gonna do when a bad man come for you? Come for you, bumbo club.
I've been on the road. It's been very stressful. And all of a sudden I want to say I'm sorry because I'm supposed to be here by 11 or 12 latest. Those who know me will know that I keep to time. Apology accepted? Yes, sir. God bless us all. I will keep my seat warm for now.
All right, on the kickoff.
Seriously. Next time you flow, we need to get high. Thank you.
Cuts.
Microphone fine. After all, when you're acting on set, nobody gives you a microphone. You can be mic'd or boom or whatever, but nobody asks you to hold anything to talk. And you're expected to talk, to project so that your voice, your audio will be loud enough. The journey of 1,000 miles takes off with a step. Those of us who are appearing here for the very first time, the Disha Conway will be celebrating.
Ella. What character? Tessy.
How many of us have been to audition here? Like I've attended audition before? This is my hand up, not like this, of course, sorry. Okay. Good number of us. And some of us are coming for the first time. But we know what audition. Okay, what is audition? Because if you don't know why you are here, you may leave us. If you want me to take mic, I'll take mic. If you're comfortable with my voice, we go. Okay, so what is audition? Who can tell me what audition is? First of all.
Here we go. I'm a queen, I'm a diva. I don't need nobody telling me what you want. I will give it to you, baby. Hold me now, no tell me you like me, you need in my body. I wanna show you I got your style, bro. Do you wanna try me? Don't you go down, my baby. No, you like me, like me, like me. I know you like me, like me, like me. Tell me what you want, give it to you, boy. Baby, don't stop, take me far away. I wanna tell you all the things you need. Take me far away, my boy. Hold you, my baby. I wanna hold you, my baby. Tell you I love you. I wanna show you love. I wanna show you.
If you don't know what I'm doing, girl, but I have to be strong for you, babe. In the scale world of A, in the scale world of A. Nah, nah, looking at you so tender. Know you wanna feel me tender. Everything about it's a musical. If you're looking at your eyes, I'm bad.